Google's AI has been reading your private emails, and you probably never said yes. I'm talking about your medical records, your bank statements, your family conversations, all being analyzed by artificial intelligence. Now, there's a lot of confusion about what's really happening here, but I've done the research, and I'm going to show you 5 critical things you need to know. And trust me, you do not want to miss tip number 5, because it could protect you from law enforcement accessing your email data. Here's what's actually happening. In late 2025, Google quietly enabled something called Smart Features for millions of Gmail users. This gives their AI assistant, Gemini, permission to read your emails and view your attachments. Now, Google says this is for helpful features, writing suggestions, spam filtering, organizing your inbox. But here's the problem. Most people were automatically opted in without being asked. No permission requested. It just happened. And it gets worse. Now there's a class action lawsuit claiming Google intentionally hid the opt-out process and violated privacy laws. Okay, let's clear up the confusion. Because Google has been playing word games. Here's what they admit versus what they deny. What Google admits: their AI can read your emails when smart features are on. This includes all your messages and attachments. Many users were auto-opted in. The AI uses your data to personalize your experience. What Google denies: they claim they're not using your emails to train their public AI model. Here's my take. They're splitting hairs. Your emails are absolutely being processed by AI, and once that happens, you can't take it back. Which brings me to why this matters. Think about what's in your Gmail right now. Medical records and test results from your doctor, bank statements and financial information, legal documents and conversations with your lawyer, private family discussions, photos, and personal attachments. An AI system has potentially analyzed all of that. And here's the kicker. And this is really important. The New York Times reported that Gmail data processed by Gemini could be accessible to law enforcement with a search warrant. That means your private emails, once processed by AI, exist in a form that could be handed over to authorities without you ever knowing. Alright, here's how to protect yourself. I'm breaking this into 5 simple steps you can do right now. Step 1. Open Gmail and click your profile picture. In the top right corner, click your profile picture, then click Manage your Google account. Step 2. Go to Data and Privacy. Look for Data and Privacy on the left menu. On mobile, you'll need to tap the menu icon first. Now, step 3, find Smart Features. Scroll down, and yes, they buried it pretty far down until you see General Preferences for the web. Under that, click Smart Features and Personalization. Now, disable both toggles. Turn off Smart Features and Personalization in Gmail Smart Features and Personalization in Chat and Meet. Google will warn you some features won't work. That's fine. Privacy over convenience. Now check all your devices. The settings sync across devices, but double check on your phone, tablet, and computer just to make sure. Now here are 3 bonus tips to lock down your Gmail privacy even further. Bonus tip 1. Consider encrypted email for sensitive stuff. For medical and financial discussions, use ProtonMail or Tutanota. They're designed with privacy first. Bonus tip number 2. Review third-party app access. Go to your Google account, then Security, and your connections to third-party apps. Remove anything you don't actively use. You'd be shocked what has access. Now, bonus tip number 3. Delete old sensitive emails. I know it's tedious, but go through and delete medical records, financial statements, and sensitive family discussions you don't need. Less data equals less risk. Now here's what I need you to do right now. Pause this video and go change those settings. It takes 2 minutes. Then come back and share this video with your friends and family who use Gmail. Most people have no idea this is happening. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button. I cover privacy and security issues like this every week, specifically for people who want to stay protected without needing a tech degree. Drop a comment in the comment section. Were you auto-opted in without realizing it? I want to know. And I answer every question as well. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.